Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you some tutorial on how to make an illustration on Figma. So let's just start. Okay, if you don't have any Figma account, you can make it. Just log in. Okay, so first thing you need to do is create a new design file. If just like that. And then okay, so for this illustration we are going to make bird but first let me show you how to log in in Figma. First you search Figma right here. After that you click this login in here, and then maybe you can uh, use your email or maybe continue with Google. Well, if you want to, oh no, maybe you need to sign or maybe create new one. How to create a Figma account? First, maybe you can put email in, uh, example like this. Maybe I'll just use my own personal email. Maybe you can just add your password and then create your account. Well, because this is already taken, maybe if you create this account, maybe you or maybe you can log in here and just like this. Wait. Okay, I don't know my password, so maybe if you already log in, you will directly go into the Figma landing page. Okay, so further ado, let's start making. So in this illustration, we are going to make a bird. So first is you click in here, rectangle here. Click the rectangle one. Maybe wait, what happened? Nah, done. Kan off lagi. Okay, so in here you have your own rectangle. Maybe you can size up a bit into, maybe in here you can type 500 and then this 500. So we are making a huge bird illustration. Okay, so for making the body, the the bird shouldn't have this pointy thing, right? Like you need to have some wave line or maybe some circle pulse, and to make that you need to change the border radius right here. Okay, so uh, wait. Okay, okay. First, just color your parrot. Oh no, color your bird right here. Maybe I'll just stick up with maybe blue. It's your own choice to choose your color. Okay, so we have a blue bird right here, and then you go in here. This is the border radius. If you put some amount of number, like example 100, will be like this, like curve. But we don't want to make it big all part. We just want to make it some parts. Okay, change it to 0, and then click the rectangle and then click right here. Nah, now you can make your own custom radius. So in here type 800, wait, now maybe 600, nah, 500, no, maybe uh hmm, wait, yeah. Okay, maybe just add little amount of radius border in here. Maybe no, not 100. Yeah, maybe we'll stick with 350. And then for this 552, wait, no, maybe 250, and this 250, no. Okay, so we already make this part right here. So now let's start making the mouth. So to make the mouth, you need to add some shape. The this one, the circle one, the eclipse one. Maybe 100 and maybe this one. Okay, so to make the mouth, so you can see right here there's a circle part right here. Just need to hold it and then sweep into this, into the 25%. Okay, and then maybe you can make it more larger. So for you guys don't know, like if you like make it your element larger, there's like stretch something like this. We don't want that. So to make it perfect, just click shift and hold. Now that's more like it. Okay, maybe a little up a bit. No, maybe make it larger. Nice. Then we make this color into yellow. Nice. Maybe okay, because I'm lazy, let's just duplicate this by left click, right click and then click copy and then paste here by using right click. And then maybe in here just type, no, in this thing is the rotation, just type 19 or maybe minus 19, yeah, like that. And then adjust, no, adjust the bird part into here and then make it smaller. Nice. And also darken the color, so like wait, maybe layer one. Nice. Okay, maybe make it larger. Okay, done. Now we have this bird in here, and then we need to add wings. So let's just copy in here and then paste in here, right here, and then wait, yep, and then make it smaller. No, wait. Oh, I think we cannot. So we need to make our own. Okay, so add a rectangle by clicking shift, and then after that change the color into the exact color right here, but make it more darker like that. Okay, and then let's do the same by clicking this thing independent corner and then type 250. Oh no, that's the wrong part. 250 and then in here 250, but that's too small. How about 100? Well, that can make it. And then the last one is for the eye. First, you just need to make an eclipse and then make another eclipse. For this one, make it white like that, and for this one, make it black. for the eye. Nice, maybe a little smaller. Yeah, and then select this, and then Control G to make it into a group, and then the last one is to put it into the exact position. Okay, so guys, you now have a incredible bird that you have made right here. Yeah, well, it's a simple bird, but it looks cute and artistic. So thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial uh, can teach you on how to make an illustration. Well, that's all from me. Sorry if I had any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.